Greetings from GGIRHR. I am Dr. Supriya Seshadri, a faculty on the simulator hands-on training for 2D Gynae ultrasound. I am very happy to be associated with the 3D Gynae ultrasound training as well. And we all know how important 3D is for diagnosis of pelvic problems, whether normal or abnormal. Now 3D is a must to know when one is trying to diagnose a uterine anomaly or to know the position of an intrauterine contraceptive device. 3D also adds great value in the mapping of fibroids to study the junctional zone in cases of anomalies for endometrial polyps, as well as in hydrosalpinx, wherein we are trying to decide, is this a localization fluid collection or is this a hydrosalpinx? Now 3D has been there since 1900s and 2000s, and over time it has proven how useful it is. So come experience the power of how useful it is by doing a hands-on course. And what's more, there's a lot that 3D can offer in infertility as well. We all know how challenging it can be to count the follicles, to measure the follicles in a stimulated cycle. Even in a baseline scan, we may be able to count the follicles, but it is important to know the follicle size distribution as well, and this is possible on 3D. In a stimulated cycle, because of the large number of follicles that are there, it's kind of impractical to know how many follicles, what sizes are there, and hence to decide whether to wait or to proceed with the trigger. Well, 3D will just help you with one sweep. So it just takes 1 minute to get the 3D sweep. After that, the patient leaves, and then we can assess all that we need to know about the follicles. 3D also has great value in knowing the vascularity of the structure, because it looks at global vascularity rather than vascularity in a single plane as we get on 2D. 2D is, yes, the cornerstone of diagnosis, but 3D definitely will take you so many steps forward. So come experience the journey of going several steps forward in this course on 3D Gynae ultrasound, and I hope to see you all here very soon.